Day 42 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach this pile of Pokemon cards and pull me out packs open every day. Today she's picked Surging Sparks, which we have opened a couple of times in this series. Pulled a couple EX cards, but nothing special. Hoping for that Pikachu illustration rare. And I'm happy to be pretty quiet today because my daughter is asleep in the next room and I've left it very late to record this video. And I'll have to be double quiet if we pull something for the binder, which I'm going to give away at the end of the year should I hit 50,000 followers, so make sure you're following along so that can happen. And we've got a Victini, Turtonator, Tauros. Okay, we're into reverse hollows now, so today's pull is going to be... a Scovillain EX card, which is very nice for the binder. That's actually 3 EX cards in a row. 2 from Journey Together, 1 from Surging Spark. But that's day 42 done, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 43.